Well, I'm Gary Haberlin, the President and CEO of Genecon. We shot this video today to discuss some of the advancements we've made inside our valve technology for our 10, 12, and 15 millimeter cannula systems. Some of our key clinicians from our markets around the world reported back that they've had some complications when using some of the more aggressive stapling and applier systems that are available onto the market. Our engineering team then took that information, came back, and we reformatted a new valve and really advanced our technology. So the purpose of this video today is really to demonstrate the effectiveness of these changes and to prepare you for what is about to come here later in 2013. Up on the table I have with me an Echelon Endo-GIA, a EL314, also by Ethicon, a Horizon wet clip applier, an Ethicon ER320, as well as a standard bilateral Covidian plier system. One of the unique features that unfortunately exists with each of these instruments is that on the very distal end of the assembly, there are some very aggressive parts of these instruments that could inadvertently grab onto the valve assembly, either distend it or tear it, and as a result compromising the valve integrity when you go to use a 5 millimeter instrument post the stapler as the case continues. What we're about to demonstrate for you right now is both the pre and post valve changes. We're going to demonstrate for you how the valve in current form reacted to these instruments, and then post the change, how those valves react to the change as well. Okay, so when the applier was approximating the valve, what would happen in the original valve is that sometimes it would catch on the valve assembly, or even worse, the valve would also tear and potentially invert, coming back up through the working channel. Stop. And now introducing the WEC Horizon clip system. We have similar performance. We can see success with inserting the clip inside the patient's abdominal cavity. And if you look at the distal end of this instrument, you can see how it is squared at 90 degrees. It's extremely aggressive and abusive to valve assemblies. And with our new system, it easily transfers in and out of the valve assembly without any interruption. Sometimes when approximating the valve with the Echelon Endo-GIA, we had a similar effect where sometimes the distal end of the valve assembly would catch and potentially tear the valve assembly when the Endo-GIA was being inserted. And now with the improved valve and the protecting system that we've built into it, as the Echelon Endo-GIA approximates the valve, you'll notice that the protection system deflects the valve open, as well as it prevents the valve from retracting back up into the assembly. It's one of the problems that we've had in the past, and our new valve system has been able to resolve that. We're really excited at Genecon about these new advancements in our valve technology. We're working quickly to bring them to market. I expect that they'll be in production and ready for delivery in early 2014. I'd ask that you please take these videos, share them with your sales staff, some of the lead clinicians that have used the products and perhaps have had these problems with our valve systems in the past, so they can see that the advancements are coming and that they do work and they're extremely effective. Thank you very much, and have a good new year.